to how to apply color with a pad. This little pad, say I want to do edges, rather than using a brush and touching up, what I can do is mix the color on the pad. So I actually put a little bit more. I'm going to take a little bit of raw umber. I dab it in. It dissolves on the pad. Maybe a touch of perfect brown. It might be a little too bright. And even black. But that's my color. And maybe a little bit of oil. Just a tiny little pad. And then this edge is light. And this is where you go so light. And you're going against it this way, and then against it that way, and it's building up on itself. And you're getting just the right amount of color that it's not light anymore. And standing out. And I might put a touch of black on this, because that inside laminate. Put a touch of lamp black, a little bit of Lubricite 77, drop of oil, get it nice and flat, and then where that light was, that little edge was light, so now it doesn't stand out like it did before. You know, then if I want to even get the inside, get this edge here. But it's so much easier to do this than to try to use a brush and brush it on. And let's do this one here. This line is light. So this little area right here, it's a little slightly light. So just a touch of that black and raw umber. Again, you don't want to overwork it. You got to go to another area. I don't like my touch-up on some of this. I might, when the video's over, do it over. So it's a little too red. But that's good like that. And then even the front edge here. I know it was mentioned that some people put color on the piece when they're French polishing and then it comes off. Using the anilines and the color is another way that you can tint over the Lubricite 77. You can use the aniline, which is transparent, and get the right shading and tinting. And another video which we might do is also showing how we can use the QT. And the QTs I use for tinting when I do my refinishing and lacquer work, but it could also be worked with the Lubricite. Yeah, so some of the touch-up on this came a little dark. Like this one's a little too dark. We're gonna have to do something with it. That one there. And touch-up is odd, you know, you touch up from one angle and you turn the table around, or you're touching it up and it's perfect, and then you walk on the other side of the table and it's a wholly entirely different color. So touch-up is it's directional.